Hi guys, welcome to Activity Beast.
I'm Carter.
And I'm Ivy.
And today we're doing an awesome paper towel magic trick.
So, I want to give a shout out to my teacher, Mr. Joseph. He is my art teacher and he inspired me to do this and show it to you guys. So, what you need for this experiment is a Sharpie, some cardboard or some paper so the Sharpie doesn't go down into the table, some colors, some water, and some paper towel. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've already started with mine. It's just two clouds. So we're going to show you what we have done, and maybe you guys can do it while we're drawing too.
So what you'll need to do in order to make this work is a napkin that you fold in half. And the reason why we're folding it in half is so that when the ink of the Sharpie touches, it'll go through so you can write and make your thing on the back. And then after you've written it, as well as colored, you can put it in the water and the colors will leak through the paper.
Once you've done your drawing, color it in.
Also be careful not to write too hard with the marker or whatever you're using to color, or it will make a hole.
Because we don't want all your hard work on drawing this to go to waste by just coloring it in too hard. So make sure to do it gently. I have two clouds. And then, as you can see, we have a rainbow right here. So we're going to see if the rainbow can go onto the front and make the rainbow be at the clouds. So here we go. Wow, that's so cool. It looks like a real rainbow.
Nice. Now let's try me. Let's see if the tree's melted. Yes, it worked.
We're going to do some creations that we did on earlier.
La flower.
So this is a flower. Aw, it's so pretty.
Can anyone guess what this is? Well, if you guessed it, let's see. That would crush your flower. Alright.
Can you guys guess what this is? Let's see if you got it right. It's Hedwig from Harry Potter. Does anyone know what this is? Because I think you do. Activity Beast!
I wonder what this one could be. Maybe a hot dog or a hamburger. Let's find out. Ah, one of Caesar's Legionnaires.
What this could be. Let's find out. Oh, wow, it's a girl. That's so cool.
The sun? Maybe even the moon. A head? Let's find out. It was the head of a puppy.
That's so adorable. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next time.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.